Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I am making the Ugandan street chicken at home. Yes guys, if you've not tried this is a must try because it is super delicious and it is super easy. Now join me as we go through this. You are going to love the experience. Yes, so I'm going to use chicken legs here. 1 kilo of chicken legs, cut them into pieces. Yes, now we are going to marinate this. Get your blender or your food processor. Yes, if they're big onions, use 2 big onions, 3 garlic cloves and ginger. I added in some coriander and rosemary there, and now there it's blended properly. So I'm going to use paprika, Royco and cumin. Yes, please check description for our measurements. Yes, now we are going to mix this together. Get in there with your hands. Yes, add a tablespoon of salt. Now you get in there with your hands. Make sure that your chicken gets the spice that it needs or the flavor that it needs. Yes. Now we are going to cover this and refrigerate for about 15 to 30 minutes. You can do it overnight if you have time. Get your chicken from the fridge. And now we are going to start grilling it, roasting it. Yes guys, so I'm using a charcoal grill. You can use an oven if that's what you have. So you guys, tell me your experience. I know most of you have just you buy this chicken, this street chicken. You know your guys, you buy your very tasty chicken. So tell me your experience. When was the last time you really had this, and have you tried to make it at home? How did it come out if you tried? Yes guys, this it smells so good. The aroma in here, oh my god, this is really nice. Please try it out. These recipes are very easy. I bring for you the easiest recipes. You can try them out and give me feedback. Tell me what you think. Yes, so street chicken, cabbage is not going to miss there. So yes, I'm going to cut my cabbage here nicely. And I cut my onions. Yes, today I'm using very small onions, as you can see. You can use big onions if you like, really. Yes, so I'm going to chop these, as you can see. Since they are small, I used 3 onions. You can use 2 big onions. So yes guys, Uganda has very many interesting recipes. Tell me what you want to see next. Yes, so I am using 2 garlic cloves in there. Cut them nicely, chop them nicely. We are going to add all this in there. Yes, I have my green bell pepper there. Yes, I'm going to use 2 onions. Cut them nicely, get our veggies ready, because this is nice. This gives you the street experience. And I know you guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I really enjoy Ugandan street food. It's next level. So in a pan, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. You cook your onions there, medium heat. Yes, I decided to use my grill. Yes, you saute all this in there. Don't wait for it to get too ready, because it's nice when they still have a bit of that crunchiness in them. Yes, now you add in your cabbage there and your tomatoes. Yes, I also added in some rosemary. Cover this and let the cabbage becomes soft. Yes, our chicken looking nice, guys. Yes, so in here I'm going to still add in my spices, paprika, cumin, and Royco seasoning. I'm using chicken Royco seasoning in this one. So I added in a tablespoon of soy sauce for extra flavor, and I chopped up some coriander and added it in there. Now you're going to mix this, and guys, that's it. We are going to add in our chicken right there so that it blends with our veggies. And hey, guys, this is nice. Yes, we blend that in there. It's going to come out so nice. And seriously, this is it. We are going to serve this up, and you guys are going to love it. You see how our chicken, you look at this. This is amazing. This is nice. It doesn't just look nice, guys. This tastes nice. The chicken is tender, soft and tender, as you can see. Damn. Guys, you should try this. So yes, guys, thank you for supporting me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's grow the family. Thank you.